Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will create a simple payroll program using Scala programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, silent viewers, and most importantly to my subscribers who are always watching my videos. I would like to shout out Sir Ernil, Marshmallow, Ma'am Robilin, and Sir Daven. If you want to be shout out in my channel, kindly put your name in the video description in the comment section of the video, and then say shout out. Thank you so much. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. We have here a machine problem. Write a program to ask the user to give employee's name, number of days worked, and rate per day. The program will compute the salary of the employee by displaying the employee's name and their salary on the screen. So we have here the code. Let me explain the code, how it works. We have here several comments here created by yours truly, Professor Jake Rodriguez, Pomperada, MIT, MIT, and then I have two websites where you can download free source code. The first one is www.jakerpomperada.blogspot.com, and then the second one is www.jakerpomperada.com. Currently, I'm accepting computer programming jobs, software development. You can email me at my personal email address at jakerpomperada@gmail.com. Quality service at a very affordable cost. And then I wrote this program last year, November 9, 2021 at 10:02 p.m. Tuesday, Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. So we have here input Java util for input output, and then object payroll underscore program, and then args here unit input var input new scanner, title bar program, payroll program using Scala. We have here two new line. One of the things that I have learned in writing programs in Scala is that it has so many similarity in C programming language. And then we have here enter employee's name, underscore name, input next line, because we create an object here input in similar to your Java also. At least 80% to 90% of the code is Java. And then we have also here enter rate per day rate, and then for salary we simply salary equals days multiplied by rate, and then we display the employee's name here, and then gross salary formatting to 5 decimal places to the right into decimal places to the left, end of program, which informs the user that the program has been ended. And then we close our class here, object class. Okay, so I will put a link in the video description guys, so that you can download the complete source code for free in my two website. Let us go to the terminal window, new window. Now in running a Scala program, we simply type Scala space the file name payroll underscore program dot Scala, and then press the enter key from the keyboard. Okay, payroll program using Scala. Enter employee's name, let's say Jacob Samuel Pomperada, my son. Number of days work, let's say 15 days. The rate per day, let's say 234.45. so the salary of Jacob Samuel Pomperada, or the gross salary, is 3,516.75, end of program. Another example, okay, by this time my daughter Juliana Ray F. Pomperada, days of work, let's say 30 days, rate per day, let's say 453.12. so employee's name Juliana Ray F. Pomperada, the gross salary of Juliana is 13,593.60, end of program. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Okay, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to create payroll program using Scala programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you do like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. And then if you are new with my channel, kindly subscribe. Your support is highly appreciated. Thank you so much. See you in the next video tutorial, guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.